I want to talk to you today about how to get a sub. There are basically two different ways to do that through our Frontline or ASOP online service. The first way is to go online, and you would go to this address, this web address, to do that. And I'll show you that in just a little bit. The second way would be you could call this phone number right here. When you call this number, you'll need to know your user ID, which is usually your phone number, and then you'll have a PIN number as well. And so if you know that, then you can call this number, and it's just a few clicks of the buttons on the telephone, and you can get your sub. If you don't know that, we're getting that to some of you, and if you still don't have it after a little bit, then let us know and we will get that to you so you have your username, your ID, and then the password. So call this number, a few clicks of the button. If you don't, you can go online and we'll show you that next. So if you go online, you'll get a screen that'll look something like this, and you need to type in your ID or your username. Most of yours is your phone number. Mine is something different. And then you type in your PIN or password. And then that'll get you into what this dashboard looks like. And I don't know if you guys have this dashboard. This is what I look like because I can see everybody that's gone. If you want to sign up for an absence, you click on absences. Then another window pops up. You create an absence. Now within creating an absence, you can go down and choose your name. I'm going to choose Mrs. Kirby here. She is gone, we'll say. And then you just click on up here in the top right hand corner, fill out details. So within those details, you'd fill out the day that you're going to be gone. So if you get sick at 3 o'clock in the morning, you can go online if you feel up to it and click on and do this real quick. Click on this, or you can give that phone call as well. So you choose the day that you're gone. We're going to choose today. You choose why. We're going to say sick day. The time here, if you're going to be gone all day, just leave this. It's not that big a deal. If it's a half a day, you could do 7:45 to noon. If that's what the part of the day you're going to be gone. You could also add in notes to the administrator, notes to the sub, or just anything that you want me to see right here. And that's pretty much it. The big thing is to get the date, why you're gone, and then the time, and you're good to go. You hit review and confirm. It'll give you kind of a summary of what you had just filled out, and then create the absence. And your absence has been scheduled. So now this will go out to all our subs to show what is out there. So this is a really important thing to do. It helps us out here a lot. Rather than if we hear about it late, we're kind of scrambling. And so getting this up and going is really important. So make sure if you don't get your username or your ID or your password here this week, please let me know so we can get that to you. Appreciate your time.